You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this member of the House of Commons of Canada. If you want to learn more names from Canadian, French also that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. The French pronunciation, Yves-François. Yves-François, so Yves with a silent S, François with a silent S as well. Blanchet. Blanchet with a silent T. I mean, it's just that the ET at the end is pronounced E. Blanchet. Yves-François Blanchet. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say it as Yves-François, Yves-François Blanchet, Yves-François Blanchet, or Yves-François Blanchet, the French pronunciation. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.